The first step is to assemble the bottom frame. We start with connecting the bottom side beam, bottom cross beam, and corner casting in sequence, and fix them with carriage bolts. Once it is all set, we conduct the alignment in diagonal direction for the bottom frame. Then install the column that has been connected to the upper corner fitting and fix it with bolts. After that, we proceed on installing the top beam and top side beam and align the column in terms of verticality. Our next step is fixing the bottom purlin onto the connecting plate of the side beam with bolts. Now we focus on fitting the wall panels, doors, and windows. The wall panel is bound to be fastened to the beam with a self-drilling screw. Meanwhile, lay out the electric wiring and partial electrical items. Fit into the square hollow section in top. If now install the extra pitch roof, on both sides, we shall seat the gutter on the roof and install the downspouts. After we finishing on the wall panels, what we do next is laying the fiber cement panel with self-taping screws down to bottom beam. Still, we use a self-taping screws to fix the internal trims. We then work on the installation of ceiling system and roll out the fiberglass wall insulation blanket. Cover the top with roof sheets and fix them with a self-drilling screw. Finally, we install ceiling lamps and other electrical appliances. All the above is a complete procedure to erect a container house. Thanks for watching.